This video will cover how to use the NIFC ArcGIS Online new account request form to log into field maps using a mobile device. Before you start, you will need your primary mobile device, an authenticator app installed on your device, and basic familiarity with switching between apps and browser tabs. Please note, to set up MFA, you will need an authenticator app such as Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator, or another supported option. In this demonstration, I will be using the Microsoft Authenticator app. However, regardless of the app, the setup process is generally the same. In a web browser, navigate to the NIFC ArcGIS Online Support Hub. Consider bookmarking this page for future use. Tap on New Account Request Form. The request form will open in a new browser tab. Read the form carefully, as there is a good chance that you may already have an account. If you do not have an existing account, tap No, I need a new account. Then tap Next. Fill out the form with the relevant information while tapping Next through the form. Review the information for accuracy, then tap Submit. After the NIFC ArcGIS Online administrators review the request and grant you an account, you will receive an invitation email from ArcGIS Notifications. The email will go to the email associated with your account. Check your spam folder if you don't see them. Open the email from ArcGIS Notifications. Here you will be prompted to finish setting up your account. Tap on the link provided. You will now be guided through enabling MFA. The NIFC org MFA uses a time-based one-time password as the second factor. This means you must use an authenticator app each time you sign in. The advantage to this is that there is no connection between your account and your device, unlike a texted or emailed code. For this demo, I am using the iOS mobile device and the Microsoft Authenticator. Click Next. Since we're using a single mobile device, we won't be able to scan the code directly. Screenshot this code if you need to configure more than one device. Tap Can't Scan Code and copy the 16-digit key that appears. Switch over to your Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon and then choose Other. Tap Enter Code manually. Note that the setup process is generally the same across different apps. However, some terminology may vary. For example, Google Authenticator says your key, while Microsoft Authenticator uses secret key. Both refer to the same 16-digit code used to set up the account. The key elements to remember are the plus icon to add a new account and a field to enter the 16-digit code. Enter a name for the account, paste the code into the key field, and tap Finish. You will now see a 6-digit code under the new MFA profile. You may have multiple profiles set up. Make sure to use the correct one. Watch out situation. If there are less than 10 seconds left, wait until it refreshes before copying, ensuring you have plenty of time to enter the code. Switch apps back to your browser. Tap Next and enter the 6-digit code from the Authenticator app. You will be prompted to print or download recovery codes. Once saved, check the confirmation box and click Done. You will receive a message saying multi-factor authentication activated. Tap Skip for now. You will be prompted to set up a unique password. Follow the password criteria listed below. Confirm new password. Select a security question and answer. Now that you have finished the setup process and have logged in on your default web browser, you can log into the Field Maps app to begin collecting data. Let's do a quick login demo. Whenever you need to sign in, you will be prompted to enter the 6-digit MFA code from Authenticator every time. Again, with this method, there is no connection between your account and your device. Switch to your Authenticator app and copy the current code. Enter it immediately. Remember, the code is time-based and expires quickly. If needed, you can self-reset your password or MFA through the support request form that is on the Support Hub homepage. Thanks for watching.